How's it going, guys? My name's Nick. Welcome to the channel. This is my ae86, and in this video we'll be installing a cube short shifter. So I reached out to my friends over at Cube. They were kind enough to sponsor my Instagram page. They sent this shifter and the shift knob out free of charge, so really appreciate that. They also sent out a bush replacement kit, like a solid bush replacement kit. And also, this is not a T50 gearbox in this car. I've actually got a W58 in there, so this shifter is for a W58 gearbox. Let's get this in and see how it goes. Almost forgot to add in a stock shift video. That's the throw we're dealing with, and it's quite wobbly when it's in gears. That's fourth, that's third, let's smarten up. I'm gonna have to install that bush kit another time. There's just no way I'm gonna get to it with the gearbox in the car. It does need to be done though. So this is the new throw with the cube shifter. Third, fourth, third, fourth. It still has that same slop. I didn't change that bushing just because it was too hard to get that top hat off without taking the gearbox out. I will do it at a later date, just not today. So that does feel heaps better. Feels a lot more mechanical. So I just finished installing the shifter and it feels amazing compared to the original one. Have a look at this. Just feels far more mechanical. It just heaps more sporty. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. It's going to make a big difference to how the car drives. So yeah, so if you like the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and a comment. Tell me what you think, and also follow my Instagram page. I'll have that in the description, and I should have a coupon code for cube shifters in the near future, so if I do get one, I'll put it in the description as well. Thanks, guys.